Chief Secretary, our Director, Government Affairs, our officials, our ambassadors, members of different Dorbar.
Beautify our locality.
The My City campaign offers various funding windows: Kickstart Grant to ignite ideas, Scale Up Grant offering opportunities for larger projects, and Beautification Grant to enhance the local identity.
Jingiakynduh play kesorgar apa jingeh Jones kesekolah semua lalaban tersitok menwabra pan ai pan pli kini kilat kilenti kuno pan pli tanat ekisnon. Mawroh siakan ikut program jingiakynduh.
Thank you, Haba Longpure.
My name is Mr. I'm Secretary of Pynsngew, Lomaba. Sir, we could see the physical change in the locality due to your initiative. We would also like to state here that Lomaba being the gateway to other parts of East Khas Hills, West Khas Hills, Garo Hills, and with tourism taking up, I would request you, sir, to please spare your valuable time to visit Sherpi Old British Bridge, where it's really crying for its restoration, and even the Sherpi stream. We could see the change of the other side of the stream. We would like to see the same change for the Sherpi stream also, sir. With these few words, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to present. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Definitely.